Hello students, welcome to the fourth video of the series Meat and Poultry Processing under the subject Food Science and Processing. In the fourth video, we are going to learn about the poultry meat processing. Step 1 is procurement. During procurement, the age of the bird is checked by feeling the pliability of the posterior portion of the breast of the animal by fingers. After the procurement, the birds are allowed to rest for about 6 hours, which is known as the lairage. After resting, the animals are checked or inspected for the evidence of disease and any lump formation on the body parts. Followed by the inspection, the animals are stunned generally by a captive bolt or knocking or use of electrical stunning or carbon dioxide method. Stunning is followed by sticking, which helps in bleeding of birds either by manual technique like knife, use of slaughter cones or box methods. In slaughter cone techniques, the birds are dropped in revolving coal with sharp ends, whereas in box method, the birds are passed through a box with a rotating knife at the other end. After sticking, the animals are allowed to bleed, followed by scalding. In the scalding techniques, the birds are treated with hot water to facilitate the removal of hair follicles either by dip scalding or spray scalding. Scalding is followed by picking. During picking, the feathers are removed by hand picking, use of knife with blunt edge or mechanical methods. During the pinning process, there is removal of pin-like feathers with a knife. It is followed by sining, which helps in removal of phyloplumes using flame for surface sterilization and clean and uniform appearance. Evisceration, it helps in removal of viscera, crop, neck and any fecal matter that may be present in the lower intestine. The animal is then passed through post-mortem inspection, wherein the carcass is examined for signs of disease, bone abnormalities and wounds. The liver and spleen is examined for consistency, texture and color change. Inspected carcass is then washed with clean spray of water maintained at a temperature of 10 degrees Celsius to 15 degrees Celsius. Followed by washing, the carcass is chilled in chilling tanks at a temperature of 4 degrees Celsius for 30 to 35 minutes, followed by draining for 10 minutes to remove off all the excess water. The carcass is then graded depending on the factors like conformation of the carcass, any cuts and other quality attributes. The graded carcass is then packaged and stored. Graded carcass is packaged in shrink packaging under cool conditions.